Today we will going to learn how to make sentence by a word. অর্থাৎ আজকে আমরা ইংলিশে বাক্য রচনা শিখব। বলো বিগ।
This is a big house.
স্মল।
The cup is small.
বিউটিফুল।
The flowers are beautiful.
ফ্লাওয়ার্স। The flowers are
The flowers
beautiful. Happy.
Happy. The child is happy.
Sad.
The girl looks sad.
Clever.
He is very clever.
Stupid. You are
a stupid.
Fast.
He is fast runner.
He is fast runner. Fat.
The cat is fat.
Strong.
The boy is strong.
Okay.